Huh?
Picture me, Daddy, picture me.
I don't need to, baby. I got you on camera.
Did we go to the mountain? Picture me.
We are.
Daddy, picture
I'm
me.
just, I want to get a picture right there next to that cannon. That's the one monument. Besides the ones up there I want to get a picture of.
Picture me, Daddy.
Kinkin, I got you on camera, baby.
I have a finger. What?
You're on camera, honey.
Look at you, you're on YouTube. Yeah. I don't even know. Daddy, picture me. Look at this, okay. Here, look at this, come play with me. Daddy, picture me. You picture me.
Hold on.
That was broken. Put me on.
Huh?
See those! I want to get up there and see those!
We going to, baby?
I want to now!
Kinkin, come here, baby.
I found this!
What's that? First Michigan?
Yeah, I know what it says. I want to go up there and see it.
You want to go up there?
Yeah. Did you get Massachusetts? Up there.
Where? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Go down upstairs.
Hey, look, that's Michigan engineers.
You know that. Let's go here. Let's do it up here.
In that
Right here.
that movie
Do
there.
it now.
Yeah.
So,
Do it now.
I gotta get our DVD player back.
So you have to be careful. What?
Patriot. He's like South Carolina.
Oh, you want to go up here? This is good.
Thank you. Come on, baby, let's go up. Let's go.
You go first. This is really fun.
That
Ginger?
other way would've been a hell of a lot
Mom,
easier.
because you need to go first. Come on. We need to help with
What? What?
Daddy, picture me. Daddy, you really want to picture me on this? Daddy, want to picture me on this?
I'm filming, baby. Kinkin, I got you on camera, sweetheart. What's wrong? No, I was saying with the phone. It is pretty neat. I see that, sweetheart. He never answers his phone.
fall off the bed or something?
Oh, get off!
Oh, y'all! I like you, boys. You're gay.
Oh, okay.
A big one!
So,
You're not
you
going
just
nowhere.
woke up a little while ago and tried to
You gotta
downstairs?
wake him up. So you're not gonna go to Tempe Bay School?
No, you.
Why you back there? You gotta run to me.
We'll be back later
I ain't
on.
gotta run to you. You gotta run to me.
Mackenzie!
Oh. Yeah, you did.
You caught, dude.
Mackenzie! Come here.
Look at them. They already done that. I don't want to go to me. Exactly. You shouldn't have been doing all that extra sneaking.
If anything, if he's there, just let him take you, and then let him take you, and then. I'm not really sure. I don't know what time we'll be back. I have no idea. That's why I was sitting here saying, let him take you. It depends on 9 o'clock. Let him take you. You want to go back home, right? And then if it's too late or whatever, because Ginger stuff, and let's see if Ginger's stuff, and then I can just drop her off on the way home. Like we did that one time, I can just drop her off when we get home, when we get back to town.
Come here.
So just let him take you in that car. Just in case I'm saying, like, we're not there, But don't forget her TV and everything and her Roku on there. Did you hear me? Patrick.
No! Look, he's here, Mommy.
They hang up on you?
Sure, I don't know the phone.
Alright, you guys, so this is our other stop. It's the Orchid Knob Reservation. Another contribute to the Civil War. As you can see, there's many monuments here for New York, Massachusetts, many other states as well. I hope that you guys are enjoying this trip that I'm on and all the content that I'm providing for you guys. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and load up, and we're going to hit up one last Civil War thing, which is going to be at Missionary Ridge, which is a battlefield. And after that, I have a very secret or a very special video for you guys. I actually have found an old mansion that is abandoned. So I'm going to go there and see if I'm able to go inside and take a tour with you guys, and maybe give you guys the best content as possible. But I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos, and I hope that you guys continue to like and subscribe to my channel, and always remember to be you, do you, and always explore and have fun. Love you guys. Alright, so we are here at the Missionary Ridge battlefield, where it was ultimately a Union victory during the Civil War over the Confederates. As you can see, it's got a huge monument right here for the Illinois regiment, as well as several cannons, as well as several Illinois monuments. So that's pretty cool. And then you got these plaques with different information from each brigade. Like the 1st Brigade, the colonel was Francis T. Sherman, and then the 2nd Brigade was General George D. Wagner. 3rd Brigade colonel was Charles G. Parker. So those are men that served in the battles, or the battle here. So that is very interesting piece of information. Over there, there's actually a casualty of Confederates and Unions that died in the Battle of Chattanooga. So that is actually pretty cool. Right here is another marker of Harkin's brigade, and it gives a list of all of the regiments or divisions in his military. So that's awesome. Hey babe, when you get done with that, maybe we can take a picture together over here at the Illinois monument. Huh? Okay. Alright, you guys, so I hope that you guys enjoy my trip here in Chattanooga and finishing up at the Missionary Ridge battlefield. And I do plan on going to that mansion, like I was discussing in my last video when I was at the Orchid Knob. But I have moved that to next Saturday. Me and my wife is going to load up and go up that way to do some filming at that location. So stay tuned for that content and that video. And always remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys. And I hope that you guys enjoy the videos from my trip out in Chattanooga, Tennessee.